Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we are designing cinematic color atmosphere using color lookup. Open your image in Photoshop and analyze the overall mood of the scene. Atmospheric grading focuses on emotional tone rather than technical contrast. Add a color lookup adjustment layer and test LUTs that shift the color environment subtly. Choose one that enhances the feeling of the image and lower the opacity so the effect blends smoothly. Add a curves adjustment layer and gently refine brightness to support the atmosphere. Use color balance to push highlights or shadows slightly toward warm or cool tones depending on the desired mood.